BeCozi.net is here. BeCozi.net is the biggest collection of chunky yarns for hand knitting. We're located in Holland, Michigan. So if you're local, stop in to look at our yarns and our office. So today I will be making this huge chunky chenille sweater. It has a hood. I was asked to make this pattern for a long time. This is size L, and I will be showing you how to make a size S today. See, this one is much smaller, and I will be using cloud color chenille. So this is this beautiful sweater. It's a little bit longer than the one that I'm wearing. It also has a hood, beautiful sleeves, and it's very warm and soft. So get this yarn at BeCozi.net and let's get started.